Goosey, what are we playing?
Tea Party.
You like playing Tea Party?
Uh-huh.
Do I need to drink all mine?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then you can have some all.
All gone. Oh, you're so good at that. Have some sugar? Yeah. Have some milk? Oh, thank you. What about yours?
Why should I have to do sugar? What?
Nothing. Is this fun?
Yeah. Dad, drink yours.
Okay.
Why are we all playing Tea Party?
Because you wanted to.
I didn't know I wanted to.
You gotta take the lid off, honey, or it'll fall off.
What will fall off?
That will. Where's mine?
You already have some.
Sorry.
Dad, I need some more tea, please. I love you, Dad.
Drink your tea.
What?
Nothing. Just looking at your pretty face. Is that some good beer?
It's not beer.
What is it? Tea?
Yeah. Okay, let's pretend that we are drinking beer. Dad,
What?
get some more beer, please. I love you.
I love you too.
Now get some more.
Go ask Mommy for some more.